Hey everyone! Ready to find your dream apartment in Vitoria for under $100K? Let's dive in! First up, Vitoria is a hidden gem on Brazil's coast. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves, grabbing a coffee at a local cafe and heading to the beach, all without breaking the bank. Now you might be thinking, can I really get a place here for under $100K? Absolutely. I've done some digging and there are some awesome options out there. For starters, head to the Jardim da Penha neighborhood. It's super popular with young professionals and has that vibrant city vibe. You can snag a cozy one-bedroom apartment for around $90K, perfect for a first-time buyer. If you're looking for something a bit more laid back, check out Praia do Canto. It's close to the beach and has a chill, relaxed atmosphere. Here you can find a cute studio or a one-bedroom for under $100K. And yes, beach views are included. Let's not forget about Bento Ferreira. This area is up and coming, with lots of new developments. You can find modern apartments with all the amenities you need. Prices hover around that $100K mark, so it's definitely worth a look. Alright, here's the deal. Vitoria is an amazing place to start your homeowning journey. With a budget of $100K, you can find a great spot that suits your lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the Vitoria real estate market and find your dream apartment today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on living your best life. Catch you later.